Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create Etsy shop banner tutorial for beginners. And as you can see right here, even though I said Etsy, we're gonna utilize first Kittl. And by the way guys, I have a few videos about Kittl that can really help you around with it, so please check them out. Now to get started with this one, just make sure you're logged in. By the way guys, I was just using my domain Google account to log in with this one. And let's get started. First thing you want to do also is go to social. Make sure you're on this section right here. And then hover your mouse and look for Etsy. We have Facebook, Twitch, YouTube, Facebook cover, X Twitter, and we have Etsy right here. So if you click on the seed templates right here, you're going to have a lot of templates to work with. Just choose one that you like. And by the way guys, those with the crown logo right there are for paid subscription. So I'm just going to choose one here that best fit my liking. I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, even though this is not basically an Etsy banner just yet that is personalized by us, this is just a template. Now what's the purpose of having or using Kittl to create Etsy banners? My goal here is to get the perfect size that is perfectly for an Etsy banner. Because if you made this in Canva or PowerPoint or even, let's just say Adobe Photoshop, you won't really get the perfect size for it that perfectly fits your Etsy banner. Yes, you can get it in Photoshop, but that will require a lot of time and effort. Wherein Kittl gives you the exact template to work with, and then just edit the template right here with the size that is perfect. So let's get started with the first one. I'm just going to upload my product or a sample product that I got from internet. It should be a phone casing of a favorite artist that I love. It's going to be Harry Styles. I know you know him so much, and basically this is going to be our main product for today's video. We're going to utilize this phone casing design and then market it in Etsy. So once you have it right there, just set it aside for a while, and we're going to focus on the design right here. So you can edit the text, you can remove the background here or change them basically, and let's start with changing them. By the way guys, before I change them, it might as well work. For example, you're using Harry Styles here. Your background or AI-generated photos will dwell in Harry Styles also, but that's just gonna be my preference. If you want to use other people or other photos or other photographs, please do so. I'm just utilizing this one, so there are gonna be similarities in my design. So I'm gonna utilize this photos right here that I got inside Kittl, that I generated via AI, to use on my design right here. Take note, these are all AI generated, even this little cat right here. And now let's get started with changing the photos first. So let me just remove this one, or basically add my first photo. It's gonna be Harry Styles. So to incorporate our photo inside those circles right there, just double click it, and you'll see right here on the right side, release mask. Before you click on delete, I want you to double click again until you see those frames. Simply click on delete now, and then basically hover your mouse and place it inside there. So we have Harry Styles inside right now. Let's do it at the same part right here, same process. And I'm gonna get another photo of Harry Styles for this one. I think I love this one right here. Perfect. By the way guys, we still have that Kittl watermark, but there's gonna be a twist with it. You can cover it up with a white background. Awesome, right? And by the way guys, since we already have Harry Styles then working our magic, let's now add some text. By the way guys, before we move on the text section, if you hover your mouse on the three dots on your AI-generated images, you can view your prompt, what kind of prompt you use, the style, and the version to create that image. Just a little information for you. Now let's move on with the text. So I'm going to delete this one. I actually don't need it. It's too much text here going on. Deleting that one. I want to make mine very minimalistic. So before I edit that text right here, I'm just going to place it over here. And then incorporate now my design. And then it's going to be my own preference how I design this or market it. So again guys, if you have your marketing skills or designing skills to the next level, you can have this one easy as pie, right? So I'm just going to place this one right here. Maybe move it around here to make it look like there are a lot of cases. I'm going to do it the same time right here, around this one right there, around here. So the cases are all together. Let me just put this here, set on background, put to back, so it won't really affect the designs. And then just twist this one, twist that one, to make sure they're scattered. Again guys, this is just my preference. Please, if you have a better option or better skills in designing, please do so. Again, with this one, I'm just gonna make sure this is to front. And with the text, I'm gonna make sure it's gonna be a different style so we can read it properly. So you can choose a different styles here for font. You can choose that one right there. And basically, you'll have unlimited styles here. It's just gonna be by your own preference. I think I'm gonna go with Alpha Sub 1 or Alpha Slab 1, much more prominent. And of course, let's change the color to much more visible, like this one. And then let's start with the name. So I'm gonna go for Harry Styles here. And then, with that being said, I think I'm gonna adjust the font weight. We have regular for the font style, and then the line height, you can adjust it. The font size, of course. And one more thing, I want to show you one little trick here. So I can just simply copy this one, right? Like so. Paste it right there. Give me a second. Perfect. And then with this text right here, I can make a logo. Like this one. Same goes with this. I can make that one right here. And then basically, what I can do with this one is, I can rotate it. So it will really look that it's gonna be a logo in a circle. Give me a second here. This will take a little bit time. Perfectly right here. And now we're gonna place it right there. Minimize this one. I hope you guys can follow me here. It's just basically by my own preference. I'm just playing around here. And I'm gonna show you really on how to make a banner in Etsy. This is gonna be by our own preference, so I'm gonna go with that logo right there. Awesome, right? So after editing some text there, I think we should edit our background. It's a bit more light if you're gonna ask me. So I'm gonna go with this one right here, the explosion of colors, and basically right click on it and use as background. Same goes with this one, right click, and then use as background, like so. I can just simply replace that one and make sure it's good to go. Click on delete, and now we have that one. So a little tip for you guys, if you have enabled your background and you're having a hard time reading your text, make sure you highlight your old project and then go here. Let's just adjust the brightness and saturation. Click on show all right there to have that blur. So adjust the blur in around 10% to make sure the background stays a little bit blurred, because if you have a sharp background, your text will not be that visible. So adjust the brightness a little bit, make it sure it's a bit bright. And the contrast, I'm gonna lower it a little bit, guys, to make sure we have it right there. Now perfect. So it's gonna be by your own preference again, guys, if how much you want to blur, but by my own experience, make sure it's around 10% only. And now let's just say we're satisfied with this one, right? Go on the top right section and click on download. By the way guys, we have to pay for the subscription if you want to remove the Kittl logo altogether. So simply click on download, and with that being said, we can have it right now on our PC with no problem at all. There's our banner. Perfect. After downloading our banner here, what else to do rather than go to Etsy? So I'll see you inside Etsy right now. So this is going to be inside Etsy. To go to your banner or basically change your banner, you need to go to your own stores. And right now I'm still waiting for mine to be approved. However, I have a screenshot here on what to expect. And basically once you're inside your store, as you can see right here, Shop Manager, there is a huge change layout icon right there. Basically click on add an image and just upload your photo. It's just like changing your profile photo in any of your social media. And basically that's it. Again guys, that is how you create your Kittl Etsy banner. So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.